in Kentucky, or was it Florida that he was catching fit? Well, I'll tell you how big. I'll tell you, Dan, raise your hand right back there. Raise your hand, clear back. See that? He caught that fish that far from the boat. It was that far away. He's a pretty good fisherman, he is. I used to know a guy in Germany. I was in the army in Germany, and I knew a guy by the name of Doofus Newton. Who would name their kid Doofus? Well, okay, never mind. But I did know another guy that his mom actually named him Bob. And before he went to school, this is the truth, before Bob went to school in preschool, he could spell his name backwards. Some of you will get it in a minute. I'm done, go ahead. Well, it's the truth, B-O-B, B-O-B. How can you miss? What are you doing, D?
I put it with that guy all the time.